Ever felt like your Venmo profile is a little meh? Maybe it's time for a refresh. In this video, we're diving deep into how to update your Venmo profile, from spicing up your bio to showcasing your personality through eye-catching photos. Get ready to transform your Venmo from boring to brilliant. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now, let's be real, Venmo isn't just about sending money to your friends. It's also a mini social media platform where you can showcase your style, share your interests, and even make some new connections. But with so many people using Venmo, how do you make yours stand out? That's where today's video comes in. We'll cover everything you need to know to give your Venmo profile a much-needed makeover. So grab your phone and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about your profile picture. This is your digital face to the world, so make it count. Choose a high-quality photo, no blurry selfies here. Opt for a clear, well-lit photo that shows off your personality. Consider a professional headshot. If you're a freelancer or run a small business, a professional headshot can add a touch of credibility. Get creative, don't be afraid to experiment with different looks. Maybe a fun filter, a photo with your pet, or a shot from your favorite travel destination. Next up, let's craft a captivating bio. Think of it as your digital elevator pitch. Here are a few tips. Keep it concise and engaging. No one wants to read a novel. Keep it short, sweet, and to the point. Highlight your interests. Are you a foodie? A music lover? A travel enthusiast? Let your passions shine through. Add a touch of humor. A witty bio can make your profile more memorable. Now, let's dive into the fun part, customizing your profile theme. Venmo offers a variety of themes to choose from, allowing you to personalize your profile with colors and patterns that reflect your style. Experiment with different themes. Try out a few different themes to see which one best suits your personality. Consider a custom theme. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even create your own custom theme. But wait, there's more. Connect your social media accounts. Link your Instagram or other social media profiles to your Venmo for easy sharing and to give your friends a better glimpse into your life. Explore the privacy settings. Take control of who can see your transactions and profile information. Now, let's talk about showcasing your personality beyond the basics. Use custom emojis. Add a touch of fun to your transactions with custom emojis. Write creative payment notes. Instead of just sending money, leave a funny or personalized note with each payment. Share your favorite moments. Use Venmo stories to share your latest adventures, delicious meals, and fun outings with your friends. But remember, while it's fun to personalize your profile, always prioritize security and privacy. Be mindful of what you share. Avoid sharing any sensitive personal information, such as your full address or phone number. Review your privacy settings regularly. Make sure your privacy settings are up to date and reflect your comfort level. Be cautious of suspicious activity. If you notice any unusual activity on your account, report it to Venmo immediately. Updating your Venmo profile doesn't have to be a chore. With a little creativity and these simple tips, you can transform your profile into a true reflection of your unique personality. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start updating. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.